This ship advances slowly, carrying with it the remains of nearly 400 people. It is a stark reminder of one of the worst migrant tragedies. The ship, which sank in the Mediterranean about 14 months ago, was finally retrieved by Italian authorities on Thursday. On that fateful day in April, only 28 survivors lived to tell their story. After the tragedy, 169 bodies were recovered, while the rest remained trapped in the hull of the vessel. The fishing vessel was carrying more than 800 migrants, most of whom were African. The recovery project took 2 months to complete and cost an estimated 9.5 million euros. Despite such tragedies, illegal migration still persists, and reports indicate that this year alone, more than 2,000 people have died in the Mediterranean while trying to reach Europe.